Welcome viewer, I am Murugan. This video tutorial describes how to clear all log files in macOS Mojave. Click Search in menu bar. Type console in Spotlight search. Double-click the console. Three reports and 4 logs are displayed. You can clear one by one using Clear button. All logs and reports are cleared. Now exit to console. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.